We've all been bare staring at a photo of a cake that looks more like a piece of high-end art than something you'd actually eat. Can sugar and flour really hold up that much weight? That is the big question. This is exactly where Hive Bakery sits in the world of sweets. This Texas-based spot has turned quite a few heads lately. They aren't just some small-town secret anymore. They've been on national television. They've competed against the best of the best in high-stakes baking competitions. People see those elaborate cupcakes and those towering custom cakes, and they start asking questions. Is it real? Is it worth the premium price tag? Is my money safe with them? When a place gets this much attention, the expectations go through the roof. We see it all the time with specialty shops. Their designs are their main draw. They are incredibly creative. We're talking about handcrafted desserts that feel personal. They handle everything from birthday bashes to high-stakes weddings. They offer cookies, pastries, and seasonal treats that change with the calendar. The local following in Texas is intense. People swear by the flavors. They love the presentation. But let's get real for a second about the experience of actually buying from a place this popular. It isn't always sunshine and sprinkles. When a bakery goes viral or hits the big screen, things get complicated. Some customers have pointed out that the pricing is definitely on the higher end. You are paying for that artistry. You're paying for the skill it takes to mold fondant into a masterpiece. Then there are the busy periods. If you try to order a cake 2 days before your event, you might be out of luck. There have been mentions of customer service hiccups too. It happens when a small business scales up fast. This is why you have to be smart about your approach. Don't just click buy because the photos look great. You need to look at the recent feedback. Check the delivery options carefully. Understand their cancellation policy before you hand over your credit card. If you have a major event coming up, you need to lock those details in way ahead of time. I'm talking weeks or even months. You also want to compare them to other local bakers. See if the price fits your specific budget. Now, let's address the safety side. People hear online bakery and they get nervous about scams. Hive Bakery is a real physical business. They've been around for years. They have a brick and mortar presence you can actually visit. They aren't some fly-by-night operation that's going to vanish with your money. There has been some noise online recently about things unrelated to their baking. It's important to separate the drama from the desserts. A headline about a business owner doesn't necessarily tell you how their lemon tart tastes. It doesn't tell you if the cake will arrive on time. You have to decide if the quality of the product is your main priority. The final verdict is pretty clear here. They are a legitimate operation. If you want something that looks incredible, they are a strong contender. Their work has a handcrafted feel. Just go into it with your eyes open. Be proactive. Manage your own timeline. If you do your homework, you can walk away with a centerpiece that people will be talking about for years. It's all about balancing that craving for something beautiful with the practical side of being a savvy shopper. Success in the world of custom cakes requires planning,